Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Rizal Hakim Fathullah. NIM 14014421235. I'm from Robel F. And now I made this video to complete the English midterm test from Miss Petra. This is analysis tends from children movie and children books. And this time I will mention example and my analysis in the form of few tense using the tense in the children book Pinocchio. The first is simple past tense with formula subject plus verb to plus object or subject plus to be, was, or where plus object plus adjective. Was is used for the subject he, she, it, and where is used for the subject they, we, I, you. Sorry, correct. I found countless example of this tense in the Pinocchio children books and in the almost every page. For example, Gepetto made puppets. Gepetto as subject, made as verb 3 from verb 1 make, puppets as object. And the next day, Pinocchio went to school. I think this sense includes simple past tense because it fulfills the condition subject plus verb 3 plus object. Pinocchio as subject when as verb 3 from verb 1 go and school as object. And Pinocchio saw a puppets show. Pinocchio as subject, saw as verb 3 from verb 1c, puppet show as object. He sang and danced with the puppets. He as subject, sang and danced as verb 3 from verb 1 sing and dance with the puppets as object, and many more example from simple past tense in the movie, in the books children Pinocchio. Then simple past continuous tense. In my simple past continuous tense, in my opinion, the reading does not constrain this tense, but I does not rule out the possibility that my answer is wrong. It could be my lack of security of my lack of knowledge. Then simple present tense. I don't think there in this tense in this Pinocchio children books. As well as simple present continuous tense. I don't think there is this tense in this Pinocchio children book too. Then simple future tense. I found the example from simple future tense and fulfill the condition, namely formula subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object. The example is, one day you will be a real boy. You as subject plus will plus be as verb one, a real boy as object. And I will never tell Lee again. I will as subject, never as tell as verb one, Lee again as object. Then simple present perfect tense with formula subject plus had or has plus verb 3 plus object or subject plus have or has plus been plus adjective. And I not found this tense in the children book Pinocchio. Then simple present perfect continuous tense with formula subject plus have or has plus been plus verb one ing plus object. Have for the subject Dewi you, has for the subject I she it. And I don't want this example from the children book Pinocchio 2. Then simple past perfect tense with formula subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object or subject plus had been plus adjective. And I found the example. The example is, the letter said that Gepetto had been swallowed by the whale. Gepetto as subject plus had been plus swallowed as verb 3 from verb 1 swallowed by a whale as object. And then this simple past perfect continuous tense. And I saw also nothing. I don't on this 10 in the children books Pinocchio. And the last conditional sense, the formula 1, if plus simple present tense, simple subject plus will plus verb 1. Formula 2, if plus simple past tense plus subject plus word plus verb 1. Or formula 3, if plus past perfect tense subject plus word plus have verb 3. Honestly, I still haven't mastered this material, so it's possible to make mistakes. And second, I will mention example and my analysis in the form of a few sense using the tense of children movie. Curious George. First, simple past tense. In this children movie Curious George, I found a more the first tense that I found the children storybook above, but I will only mention a few as examples. Simple past tense, since I example in the little early, that let's so go start of the example and analysis. that is on the children movie. In example, George enjoyed all morning. Joyce as subject, enjoyed as verb three from one enjoyed all mornings as object, and we tapped the slow three. We as subject tapped as verb three from one tap the slow three as object, and yours is he be a paper boy. Yours as subject, which as verb three from verb one, wish. He be a paper boy as object, and he figure his be him in Sikha. He as subject figure as verb three from one figure, and be home in second as object, and more many more. The example simple past tense, and in this movie children movie just that simple past continuous tense. I think the example is the yellow hat has was holding him. The yellow hat as subject has has because the yellow has in the yellow hat include subject it or he plus holding as perempuan ing him blah 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 as object. Then he was having fun. He as subject was having as was because he was uh, for subject he it, and were for subject the we are I you, having as verb two, fun as object, and this was going to be a perfect day. Blah blah blah. This as subject was uh, because blah blah blah. This include it going as verb one in to be a perfect day as object. Then he was going up. He as subject was plus going as verb one in up blah 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 as object. Then simple present tense. For example, every house on the road gets a paper. I think the sense includes simple present tense because it fulfills the condition formula subject plus verb satu s or as plus object. Every house on the road as subject gets as verb one s plus s peppers as object. Then I think he licks her snow shoes. He as subject, Leaks as verb 1 as her snow shoes as object, and more. Next, simple present continuous tense. For the formula, subject plus to be, am is are plus verb one ing plus object. Am for subject I, is for subject she and he, are for the subject the we, you. For the example, no, I not found this tense in the children movie Curse George. Next, simple future tense. For the example, how this cat will keep the leg from moving will be on heels. This chat for the subject will keep for the verb one, your leg for as the object, and simple present perfect tense. I think for the example is the city can world have seen course continuous skin before. I think this sense include simple present perfect tense because it fulfilled the condition formula subject plus have plus verb 3 plus object. The city kin as subject plus have plus seen as verb 3 cross country skin before as object. Then this snow before must have been completed. In snow before must subject must have plus been completely as adjective. Then simple present perfect continuous tense. I don't find this tense in the children movie Chris George. I'm sorry. And simple past perfect tense with formula subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object or subject plus had been plus adjective. For the example, Josh had become just like a real paper boy. Josh, I think this sense includes simple past present tense because it fulfilled the condition formula is George as subject plus had plus become as verb 3 from verb 1 become just like a real paper boy as object. And George had made a nice bowling set. George as subject plus had plus made as verb 3 from verb 1 make a nice bowling set as object. And then simple past perfect continuous tense. Also noting I not found this tense in the children movie Chris George. And the last, conditional sense. Honestly, I still have mastered this material, so it's possible to make mistakes. That's my analysis. If there are error or shortcomings, please correct them. Thanks Al, thanks everybody, thanks Sir Petra, thanks guys, my friend Al. Bye.